Hello, welcome back. As you can see, I have not yet opened this machine, but I did peek in the top and I found these 6 books. Now I know for sure that the one on the bottom left was not the manual that came with this. It would have been gotten at another time by the owner to further explore things. And I think that the only documentation that came with the original PET was the booklet on the upper right-hand side, an introduction to your new PET electronic transactor, or your new PET, personal electronic, from Commodore. It's funny because, of course, the picture on there, on the very front, the monitor does look rather curved, and the original PET was supposed to be rounder, but it didn't end up being that way. So, and of course the letters are not from that. And then there's on the far side, on the upper, it's PET Communication with the Outside World. I have never seen this book before. The others I have seen, the guide, the PET CBM Personal Computer Guide, and PET Basic Training Your PET Computer, and the Hands-on Basic. I have seen this. But this PET Communication with the Outside World booklet, I do not remember ever seeing before. I would imagine nothing like a leaf blower in the neighborhood. And it's funny, it's a little windy and the guy's blowing leaves, and as much as he blows them, they're just blowing right back. Anyway, so here we have the books that came with this. I will explore these, I shall, and see what's what. They look to be in good shape, not perfect, but you know, they've probably been in the box too for 20, 25 years or more, and I expect at some point they were read and enjoyed, I suspect. So, but as I say, I'm most intrigued by the PET Communication with the Outside World. I believe there's some funny cable. He says it went to a printer, but I don't think so. So maybe that has something to do with that thing there. Maybe early communication with another machine, or I don't think there was bulletin boards back then yet. But there were certainly other things that people did with these. Some people, of course, programmed on them and then transferred their stuff to other things, although that was more with the Super PET. Anyway, enough of that. There are the books that came in the box. Oh yes, and the wind is trying to read that one. So, before anything tragic happens, I will leave you and put these away and continue to explore the contents of this original box, which is now almost 45 years old, that does indeed contain an original 8K small keyboard cassette machine. Okay, things are happening. Oh dear, it looks like that's a receipt. Okay. Thank you very much for coming. Bye for now. Stay tuned.